Hello, it's Got Slime, and before this video starts, please remember to smash that subscribe button and like button if you like to see more slime videos. So today we're going to be making fluffy slime. So what you'll need is a mixing bowl, a mixing utensil, foaming shaving cream, not gel, some lotion, an airtight steel container, glue, PVA glue so it works, and the glitter and food dye is optional. Then what you need is your activator. So to make activator, all you need is 1 cup of water, and then that is 1 teaspoon of borax, or you put in your glue, you would put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you would mix it all together. Then you would just put in some contact lens solution. So let's get started. So first you want to take your Elmer's glue or other glue, and then you pour it into your mixing bowl. Okay, let's make a lot. Yeah. Okay. Then you want to put in your lotion. I like to put in a lot because lotion makes it really stretchy. Then you want to mix it together. So if you want like perfectly white slime, I wouldn't use colored or like lightly colored slime, lotion. So this is what our glue looks like. It's kind of brownish because I used cocoa butter lotion. Then you'll want to use your shaving cream. So you want to shake it up. Off the lid. I haven't used this brand before, so let's see. You want to add lots of shaving cream. Ooh, it smells good. Okay. And then you just want to mix it together. And it should be like this fluffy texture. And don't forget to subscribe to my brother, Water Riser. No. Okay, he's gonna come in.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Okay. So the shaving cream basically doubles it. So it's really smelly. It smells like raspberries. Oh, jeez. Then you want to add in your food coloring glitter now. I'm not going to add glitter. Let's make the slime green. So you just want to take a couple drops of food coloring. I'm starting out with just 2. Juliet. Oh. So 2 drops wasn't enough for me because it's basically just like a yellow, not a green. So we're gonna add some more. You can just keep adding food coloring until you like the color. Oops. Oh, it's actually quite a bit. So let's hope it turns into the color that I want. So far it's getting there. And you could add baby oil right now if you would like, but I don't have it. And baby oil, I guess it makes it like softer and like stretchier kind of. And then then after that, after you have your coloring in, which is optional, or shaving and or glitter, you want to take your activator, and then I'm using borax, and you just want to put a little of it in at a time. So I started with about a tablespoon. It's probably not going to be enough, but you never want to overactivate, because overactivating isn't very fun. So mine's kind of coming together, but it's basically just the same thing as it was. So I'm going to add some more. That time it was like 2 tablespoons, which I probably should have started off with. But, so to fix slime if you accidentally overactivate it, is you start adding lotion until you get the right consistency that you would like, and stickiness and stretchiness. So this is starting to look a lot better, but it is kind of sticky, so I'm just going to start to knead it. I'm just going to take all the stuff off the mixing utensil. Oh geez, got it on my shirt thing. Comment down below which slimes you want to see recipes for. So this is it so far. It is really sticky, but it has it's stretchy though. So I feel like this is too sticky though, but we're just going to keep kneading it, because sometimes you can overactivate it and not realize it, because you just have to knead it. Yeah, I feel like this is way too sticky, because it's just sticking to my hands and it's not coming off really. So I'm going to add a little bit more, not very much, just a little. Like a teaspoon and a half, like half a tablespoon. And now it's starting to get better. I'm going to start kneading it on the counter. Very clicky, which I like. It's not as sticky as it was before, but it's still kind of sticky. It's not very stretchy yet, but I'm just going to keep kneading it to see how it turns out. So other activators that you can use instead of borax and contacts in solution is if you're making soap slime, it's just soap, and then you can add salt, but I haven't seen that work as well. And sometimes for fluffy slime, instead of adding instead of using baking soda, you can so the shaving cream works like the same way as the baking soda does, so you can just add the contact lens solution. It should activate. If not, just add in the baking soda. So it's starting to come together, but I'd like it to be a bit more sticky. Not sticky, stretchy. So I'm gonna take some lotion and then add some in, like half a teaspoon. Oops, I lost my container. So that's probably too much, but if it's still too sticky after you knead it for a while, just activate it a little bit more. Not much, because it will probably be too activated. So activator can go a long way, just a little bit, like a little bit, I guess. You can make this as big as you'd like or as small as you'd like. I just like the bigger slimes because I just want to play with. So the lotion actually really did something. You can see it's a lot stretchier. So I have a little bit of activator left in my bowl and stuff. So if your slime is made correctly, you should be able to just clean out your bowl. So you don't have to go through the scrubbing and washing and stuff. And so working on cleaning out my bowl right now. It might have a little bit of activator in it, after, like, you can dump out what you have left in there, but it still might have just a little bit, like, of residue, I guess you would call it. But it shouldn't affect the slime very much, and if it did, then just add lotion. Another activator you can use is actually Tide. Not Tide Pods, just the Tide detergent. I don't know if it works for other detergents, but what I've learned is that detergent, it can start to separate from the slime, and then it just dries out. So then, like, it just turns into glue. So you don't want to dump it out. But yeah. So sometimes it works though, but it hasn't worked for me in the past. So my clean's almost spotless. See, and before it was really dirty. Making slime shouldn't be a huge mess unless it's a fail, or you just like to make it messy and you don't feel like cleaning it up. I know I do that sometimes, but it would be a lot of trouble. So this is basically my final product. I'm probably going to add more lotion. But some things you can do with this after this is you could add cornstarch to make a butter slime, or you can mix in clay, soft clay. Don't mix in Play-Doh. Play-Doh's like clay, but it doesn't do the same thing. It basically turns your slime into liquid. So you can use like Model Magic or just normal clay. Air dry clay would work the same. So this is turning out really well. Very proud of myself. Make sure to comment down below what your favorite slime is, so I can try and show you different ways to make it. And let me know if you'd like me to show you some no glue slime recipes. And we can test them out. I know there's like peel off mask thing. So like you would use the mask, like the facial mask, and then you would peel it off. And then like you just activate it normally. But I haven't tried that myself. And if you don't happen to have cornstarch in your house to make this butter slime, you can use baby powder. Cornstarch and baby powder will start to kind of get it more sticky, so you just have to do is add a little bit more activator. So this is it. You could also add foam beads to make it a crunchy slime. So this slime is really good. Yeah. So after this is, you just want to get an airtight sealed container. You can get containers at like Dollar Tree, and same with shaving cream and lots of other things. Is there tape on this? Jeez. You also get glue there, but the glue doesn't work because it's not PVA. Things have to be PVA to work for slime. Jeez. It's coming. Yes, haha, success. I wonder if this will fit in there. If not, I have a bigger container. Oh, it fits. So, voila. Fluffy slime recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more slime videos like this. And please subscribe and turn on post notifications to see when I post new slime videos. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.